Hello, assalamualaikum. Hello, mic testing 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Hello. So, hello, random good people, happy people. So today we're gonna uh show a website helps which can help you to remove your background. I hope you got the point, right? Suppose you have an image over there, like this image, right? Okay. So you wanted to make this so you wanted to like yes, you wanted to make this background remove, but you can't. And by manually doing this by using Photoshop or anything, any compiler software, editing software, it is very hard and time consuming, right? So here's the solution. Remove.bg is an is a solution for this query. So how to do this? Like let's save these pictures first. Okay, save jpg তে আছে আমরা like remove picture, right? Remove bg, so আমরা remove bg তে সেভ করে ডেস্কটপে, right? Okay, so সেভ হয়ে গিয়েছে. So now remove bg তে আপলোড করে, হ্যাঁ, let's upload the image. So upload এভাবেও করা যায়. You can do this by this or simply click here by this. Okay, we already uploaded. Let's see, this is so fast and very precise word to catch. Let's see. So you can download by here, show in the folder কোথায় save হয়েছে. See, unbelievable, this is so good to watch. So let's watch those two pictures uh, alongside. So we found out these pictures from these pictures. Isn't it cool, right? So check another site, check another images, like any product image, image or product photo or whatever you want, we can say. Like this headphone, let's choose this headphone. Okay, so I don't want this yellow color background. So okay, headphone, yeah, save করলাম. Now get back again, reload this site, upload the image. Now I can go by the headphone. Okay, come on, this is so good to watch, isn't it? Download it, click the image, পাশাপাশি রাখলাম. We got this headphone from these pictures. So you can use this headphone or these props wherever you want, right? So this is a cool site to explore. So designers already know this site. Some of you who are not designer can also know this site, but those are new watching this video, and those are new can be benefited by these tools, by this website, right? So yeah, that's it for today. Hopefully we'll next time we'll watch another tutorial together. It's obvious software, we are recording the entire tutorial by this software, so we'll show this software um, once upon a time.